Hi everyone, in this video I want to show you how you can protect your Amazon machine images or AMIs from accidentally being deregistered or, in other words, deleted in your AWS account. I've already logged into our demo environment here. I've gone to the EC2 dashboard, and if I select AMIs, you can see I've got an AMI built already. And if I highlight that, you can see down here in the bottom right-hand side, deregistration protection is disabled. So this is the default. The process to enable this is really simple, whether you want to do it through the management console or programmatically. I'm going to show you both. All you have to do, make sure your AMI is highlighted, right? I've selected the AMI. Go to Actions, and then go down the list and find Manage AMI Deregistration Protection. Click that, and you have a couple options. So by default, it's disabled, and then we can enable it either with a 24-hour cooldown period or without cooldown. So let's talk about what the differences with this are. The cooldown period is just like it says. If you enable protection with this cooldown period, even after you disable the deregistration protection, it's still in effect for a 24-hour window. I always equate this to like the "Are you sure" pop-up. For the demo today, I'm going to say enable without cooldown, and you click save. That's it. It's that easy. And now what you've done is you've protected this AMI from accidentally being deregistered or deleted in your account. I can also do the same thing through the CLI. I'm going to use Cloud Shell to do this because it's easy. So I'm going to disable this deregistration just to show you. And now you can see it's deregistered again. Let me just increase the size of the font here to make sure that we can see it. And it's a single AWS command to do this. And I did create a cheat sheet for this one, so just bear with me a second because it's pretty long. So AWS EC2, and you can just say enable image deregistration. You give it the ID of the image. So in this case, we can just go up here and grab the AMI ID. And then you have to decide on, do you want the cooldown period or not? In my demo, I'm going to say no with cooldown. And there we go. If we just get rid of this and refresh the screen, there we go. Okay. So that is enabling and disabling the deregistration protection on your Amazon machine images. Super important, just to, an extra layer of protection here against accidents happening within your accounts, and super easy to do. Bye for now.